Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix banned account on WhatsApp. So let's first talk about the causes of the problem. The first cause, the first reason why your account is banned may be because you installed not official versions of WhatsApp like GB WhatsApp or other modified versions of WhatsApp, and that's why your account was blocked. Second reason might be because you downloaded some things you should not to download. For example, you download some people's statuses, and thus you get banned because it is violation of WhatsApp's terms of usage and agreement. So how to do that? Of course, first thing you're gonna do, if the first reason is for you, you download modified versions of WhatsApp, you're gonna uninstall WhatsApp, this version modified, not official, and you're gonna install official version of WhatsApp and go to WhatsApp website. Scroll down, go contact us, go here, WhatsApp Messenger support, and write down all of your information here and enter here your message like, hello, I was mistakenly banned, please unban me, something like this, and within 5 hours or so they will unban you because you uninstalled your not official version of WhatsApp, and there's no reason to keep you banned. And I hope this video helped you. But if the second reason is for you, just uninstall the status that you download or something like this that you shouldn't be downloading. Just uninstall it and write again to WhatsApp support, contact them that you've been mistakenly banned and they should unban you again. And that's all. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you in the next video.